Here we have a 2019 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DCB 4x4 TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 18-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, finished in black. At the front of the vehicle we've got the bonnet bra just there. We've also got the smoked headlights, giving it that stealthed out look. You've got the frozen white exterior paintwork, which in conjunction with the black accents around the vehicle looks absolutely fantastic. Side steps down below. You've then got the dark grey door handles, the carbon style wing mirrors there as well on either side. Side steps on top of the vehicle. Coming to the rear, you've then got your second 18-inch alloy wheel. At the rear here, you've got the smoked rear lights as well, again adding to that stealthed out look. You've also got reversing parking camera as well as front and rear parking sensors. You've got the mountain-top sliding load cover there as well to keep whatever you've got in the rear protected from the elements. Coming around to this corner, you'll see that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there is a closer look at that last alloy wheel, sorry, the third alloy wheel. And there is a closer look at your last alloy wheel. Now going on to the interior next, you'll see we've got a half leather interior as well as the orange features, which looks absolutely incredible. ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. You've got 12-volt connectivity in the middle there, storage behind the front seats, WILDTRAK door mats. You've then got the brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather again with the orange stitching, as well as integrated speakers. Going on to the front next, we've got that same half leather interior, WILDTRAK stitching on either side, which looks superb. The driver's side does benefit from the electrically adjustable seat functions, as you can see just there, makes it incredibly easy to get comfortable. You've then got your unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with child lock for the rear. Of course, we've got more integrated speakers, power folding wing mirrors with electric wing mirror controls just below, and there you'll see you've got the automatic lights as well. Now stepping inside, close up the door, foot on the brake and turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see, we've got a multifunctional steering wheel with different features like our phone controls, volume controls, speed limiter, cruise control. We've then got the dashboard here where you'll see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there. Now on the right you've got your auto wiper stalk. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. So on here you'll find features like your satellite navigation. If we go into the audio and sources, you've got your AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as CD and Bluetooth audio. Climate controls can also be accessed on the display or down below, whichever takes your preference. You've got heated seat controls for both front passengers there as well, all working exactly as you would expect. Phone connectivity there too, for making calls or listening to your music. Satellite navigation, like I mentioned before. There we go. Mobile apps. Going on to the settings next, you can have a view of what we've got on offer. Things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Great features to have in a vehicle. We've got ambient lighting there as well. Now, I'll put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see you've got your reversing parking camera, as well as a visual display both front and rear parking sensors. Coming down, you've then got your stereo and climate controls, two 12-volt connection points, two USBs down there, button to turn off the beeping on the parking sensors. We've got our traction controls and your hill descent control as well. You've then got your gear stick with park, reverse, neutral and drive, as well as the manual / sport mode if you push across to the right, and you can take control of your gears like so. You've then got your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road use, handbrake, 2 God-sized cup holders, and of course the soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.